Are your Facebook ad leads feeling like they're falling into a black hole after they click? In this 90-second tutorial, we're going to show you how to supercharge your lead nurturing by connecting specific Facebook ads to targeted actions inside Follow Up Boss, so you can say goodbye to generic follow-up and hello to personalized communication. First, make sure you have Facebook lead ads set up and integrated with Follow Up Boss. This is the foundation for capturing lead information directly from your ads. Next, in Follow Up Boss, navigate to the admin section and then click on Integrations. Locate the Facebook lead ads integration. You should see a list of your connected Facebook pages. Now, this is where the magic happens for each ad form associated with a specific Facebook ad campaign. Use the drop-down menu to assign a specific action. You can choose to add leads to a specific stage in your pipeline, apply a relevant tag to segment your leads, assign the lead to a specific agent, or even trigger a customized action plan designed specifically for leads coming from that particular ad. For instance, if the ad is for a luxury property, you might select Start Action Plan and then choose an action plan tailored for high-end buyers. Once configured, any lead that comes in through that specific Facebook ad will automatically be added to Follow Up Boss, tagged accordingly, and the selected action plan will kick off immediately. By connecting your Facebook ads to targeted actions in Follow Up Boss, you're not only automating your lead nurturing, but you're also delivering a more personalized and relevant experience, leading to higher conversion rates and happier agents. Now go forth and conquer.